Hello, coolest finance enthusiasts on the web. We all know that time is money, right? But what would you prefer, more free time or more money? Today, I found a video about a guy who seems to have found the answer to both questions. Just listen to this.
I probably work 5 to 10 hours a week. And it's not like I'm not doing anything on purpose. It's just like I can get the stuff done in that amount of time.
They need to give you more to do then.
No.
Sorry for the interruption, but it looks like he almost lost his composure over that question. I think he must be paid very well. Otherwise, he would have said, yes, of course. However, it really depends on whether you're on a salary or getting paid for the work you do. All right, let's find out what's really going on here.
Why would I let that happen?
Because they are spending a lot of money on you, and I would want to make sure I'm getting my money's worth.
They are requesting a certain amount of work get done?
No, absolutely. I totally agree with that.
Yeah.
They should do more work.
Yeah, but they don't know, so... And I'm not going to let them know. Like, why would I do that? Other developers are working the same hours.
I don't really care. I don't give a If I was the owner of the business, like, they're probably paying a lot of people a lot of money when you could probably cut that in half.
They're getting paid a lot of money by these contracts.
Well, let's hope your bosses don't see this video, because otherwise they might wonder if they're paying you too much for so few hours of work. However, if you're performing your tasks well, I'm sure everything will be okay. What do you think, friends? Is productivity or the amount of work time more important? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Suddenly, I feel the need to check on what my employees are up to, and then I'll go find some more cool videos for you. So don't miss out. See you next time, and remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one. Bye. Hey there, my fabulous finance-savvy hamsters! Scrambling up the financial ladder, we're learning the twisty nuances of various markets and gradually mastering the gears of different economies. But what if I told you the real key might just be simplicity? I stumbled upon a rad video that showcases how simplifying isn't always a bad thing. Let's check it out.
There's a story about Elon Musk that I love that I tell my team all the time. He had a group of engineers on his plane, and the group of engineers said that the change in the business he needed to make was going to take them 6 months or a year to spin off. And Elon said, turn the plane around, we're going to go to the storage center directly, and we're going to fix the problem in 24 hours. And what do you think they did? They did it. It's this crazy idea that we make things more complex than we need because it makes us seem needed. And so I want you to think about this idea. Where in my life can I make things that seem complex a lot simpler?
Kinda motivating, right? What do you think about such advice, buddies? Can simplifying really lead to success? Or should thorough analysis and gradual steps rule everything? Considering this story is about Elon, you kinda wanna believe it by default. I mean, who can argue with his success, right? Anyway, drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's unpack this together. I'm off to dig up some new vids for you, so don't miss out. Catch you in the next episode. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one.